just spicy. I'm on the corner picking up the ball, baby. What up?
And in a roast spice, another gamble. Spicy, spicy, bambi, guagalanyo. Spicy, spicy, bambi, guagalanyo. Spicy, spicy, bambi, guagalanyo. Spicy, oh, spicy, maramu, This is amazing, man. We all here, man. We all here, man. We cannot have this song and not have a rap in this song. Think for Mike and now you are here. DJ, run the tune one more time. We need to have a rap in this song. Please put down a remix here. Come on, let's do it. Think for Mike. Go so far. Show. Follow some man, I respect your hustle. Cause I respect your hustle. Wanna to live another ghetto. I take a friend not to live a coming. I like the FM tonight, you know how we do it. Now it's your can get it. My to take it. What's in your name? Come on, so business. Got the thing that was sisters. Moving in that persistence. My business, I saw no any mister who's acting like a missing. Get that without a witness. Something get up and distance. Cherish your mama's business. Because I don't ambitions. I break the competition. I know my generation. I'm so restless. You're gonna respect this. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Eddie Kenzo. Thank you, Navio. Thank you, Spice Dan. Wake up in on my brother. I love you from the bone. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Thank you, my brother. Fiki, always, you know where we come from. Yeah, man. Even though you don't come from the ghetto, you know where we come from.
This is the Zeno.